Hey there everyone, welcome to the design studios of Pro Event Planners. My name is Melody and I'm the CEO and founder of the company. Today we're showcasing our Boho Chic tablescape that we can box up and deliver to your home if you're in the Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County areas. Let's take a look. Here's my interpretation of a rustic and beautiful boho chic tablescape. The table is covered with a crushed shimmer periwinkle blue tablecloth. The silk arrangement is a peach peony filled arrangement with an extension of blue and peach flowers going to the right and left. And then in between are scented candles in peach and blue. The charger is a sparkling blue glass charger. It almost looks like it's in outer space. All the little bits of glitter in between. Napkin is a simple palette of ivory, but the rustic napkin ring kind of brings it out and adds a pop of color and ties in the theme to this part of the table. The glasses kind of matches almost like a monochromatic look on the back end, but with this pop of color in the ivory and the napkin ring. The backdrop is covered with beautifully rustic dream catchers that have peony flowers and ivory raffia. Would definitely look great in an outdoor setting. To add sparkle to the backdrop, I also have a curtain of lights behind the white chair. All this can be boxed up and shipped to you if you live in Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. I'm going to show you what that looks like with an unboxing and a setup in my backyard.